Hi, I'm Andrew Meinzer of Meinzer Law Firm PC. In this video, I'm going to talk with you more about trusts subject to court supervision and how a trust can get under court supervision in California. This is the third video in a four-part video series. So far, we've discussed in detail how a trust can get under court supervision because a court order funded the trust. There are three ways that can happen. They are: 1, a substituted judgment court order in a conservatorship; 2, a spousal property court order; and 3, a court order resulting in proceeds from litigation on behalf of a minor or disabled adult. The other way that a trust can get under court supervision is court litigation regarding trust administration. Trust administration means carrying out the terms of a trust. So for example, let's say that you're not married, you create a trust for yourself, and you nominate yourself as trustee to be in charge of administering the trust. In this hypothetical, you also nominate your good-for-nothing son, Hellion, to be the trustee in charge after your death. And you nominate your reliable and trustworthy daughter, Angel, to act as trustee after Hellion. Finally, the trust provides for Hellion and Angel to receive all the assets equally and outright after your death. Then you die. For 3 years after your death, Hellion has been treating the trust as his personal piggy bank. He's been living in your house rent-free and letting it fall into disrepair. He's been draining your bank accounts for his personal use, and he's been refusing to follow the terms of the trust or distribute any assets to Angel. So finally, Angel takes Hellion to court, seeking a court order removing Hellion as successor trustee, appointing Angel as a new successor trustee, and requiring Hellion to transfer to Angel the assets that she was entitled to receive from the trust. These cases take months or years to resolve in court. If the court is sufficiently concerned that Hellion has mismanaged the trust assets to the benefit of himself and to the detriment of Angel, and that he may continue to do so, then the court may bring the trust under court supervision, at least partially. As I'll discuss in the next video series, taking the trust under court supervision will enable the court to implement some safeguards to protect against Hellion continuing to mismanage the trust assets to the benefit of himself and to the detriment of Angel. But first, I want to try to tie together this discussion of how a trust can get under court supervision in California, and I'll do that in the next and final video in this video series. Hiring an attorney experienced with trusts can help you to avoid having a trust subject to court supervision. In addition, the advice and guidance of an attorney experienced with trusts is invaluable for attaining your goals in these types of cases. At Meinzer Law Firm PC, we have over 20 years of experience helping clients achieve their goals in trust cases. Again, I'm Andrew Meinzer of Meinzer Law Firm PC. If you know that you need our help, or even if you just have a question, please contact us and let us take care of you.